Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share and comment. So in today's recipe we are making a yummy jollof rice. In a pot, adding your groundnut oil, your sliced onions and your tomato paste, your 10 tomato paste, and stir it for like 5 minutes. Then you're adding your tomato blended mixture, which is a combination of fresh tomatoes, scotch, Burnett, attarado. Then you stir it for a while. So after that, you add in your spices, your chicken spices, your turmeric powder, your curry, ginger and garlic powder. Give it a quick stir and add in your seasoning cube and salt as well. Then you stir it and add in your washed rice. This rice I did not boil it. I just wash it till the water is completely clean. So you add in your meat stock and give it a thorough mix. So after that, you can also top it with some water. Adding some water and cover your pot and allow it to cook for like 30 minutes. Then you can shake the rice. If it is still strong, you can as well add a little more water and cover your pot and allow it to cook. So when the rice is almost done, you can use your foil paper to cover the lid. Cover it with foil paper and allow it to cook for like 10 minutes so that it will dry up the water. So after that, you can give it the thorough mix. Then you mix everything together and the food is ready and is yummy and is delicious. The aroma that is coming out from this food is wow. So guys, the food is ready. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, give my video a thumbs up, like it, and comment something on the comment section. Your comments makes me fulfilled when I'm reading it. So please guys, comment. If you like this recipe, comment, and it's a must try. Make sure you try it at home. Don't forget to try it at home. Isn't it yummy? You can as well serve it with a fried plantain and some fried meat. Come and join me. This rice is made in heaven. You need to have a taste of it. It's yummy and it's delicious. I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for always stopping by. Thank you. I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow my page as well. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.